Hey guys, this is how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. So guys, first just simply go to your Roblox application and just simply tap on more or the three dots on the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply scroll down and go for settings. So guys, from here, just simply check if you have the enable voice chat first. Just simply go to privacy and then go for the communication and you should be able to have the voice chat here. But if you don't have, just simply go back on the top left and just simply go for the account info. So now guys, from here, first thing that you need to make sure that you are 13 years or older and make sure your email address is verified. And if you have a phone number over here, make sure it is verified as well. And guys, if your email and phone number are verified, just simply try to go to your privacy and communication and check if the enable voice chat is available. Now, if it doesn't, just simply tap on verify my age over here. And guys, one thing that you need to make sure that you have the correct birthday as well. Now, from here, you need to prefer a valid ID. So it can be a driver license, passport, ID card, or residence permit. And just simply tap on start session. Now, from here, guys, make sure you have this checklist over here in order for you to begin. So just simply tap on begin verifying down below. And from here, guys, just simply provide the country of your government ID and just simply select. And after that, as you can see, just simply provide a category of your ID. So I'm gonna go for my driver license over here. And after that, it is asking me for a front of driver license. So just simply take a picture down below. Now guys, if this window is popping up, just simply go to your home screen and hold the application and tap on app info and just simply go for scroll down and go for permissions and go for camera and tap on allow. And now just simply go back over here and tap on check camera and tap on it again and you should be able to get it working. And now from here guys, just simply take a picture of your ID and after that tap on use this photo. And after that, just simply tap on get started and just simply go ahead and provide a selfie of yourself. And from there, guys, you should be able to get your account verified. Just simply tap on back on the top left. And now from here, guys, once you have verified your account, just simply go to the privacy. And after that, go to communication. And you should be able to have the voice chat by now. And you should be able to enable it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.